Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you an alternative method of solving the problem with Google Chrome's black screen. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so if you're having problems with Google Chrome and you've launched the browser and you've got a black screen, you can't see anything, there's various ways of getting around it. I did do a video previously, which you can see linked up here, which involves going through and changing some registry fixes and also reinstalling and uninstalling driver using DDU, all those kinds of things. Essentially, the problem is related to the GPU shader cache and the way that the GPU interacts with Google Chrome on a hardware level to render your pages. So if you want to make it a little bit easier for yourself and you want to take the short way of fixing the problem, then this is possibly the way for you. So go over to the computer now and I'll show you how to do it and how it all works. Okay, so on your computer, make sure that you are set up as an administrator, and the folder we actually want on this one is this one here. So I've created a shortcut already. I'll put a link in the description so you can see what it is, and you can just replace the details which are relevant to your system. If we open up this, so this is the location. So in your C drive, under users, then your user profile name, application data or AppData, local, then Google, then Chrome, then user data, ShaderCache, and the folder we want is GPUCache. Now this is the problem area. So if we go up a level and we can see the GPUCache. So all you need to do is right click on this folder and choose delete. Now what this will do is it will get rid of any of the existing shader cache, which is in the form of these data files, and we'll just recreate the shader cache. Now this has been tested by me and many others and works exceptionally well, and for a lot of people it's probably going to be a lot easier. So let's show you now how to get to that folder. So to start off afresh, so if we open up File Explorer and go into the main C drive, actually before you do that, make sure if you go on View at the top here and click on Hidden Files. If you don't have hidden files shown, you won't be able to find it, so make sure you've got hidden files ticked. So then we go into our C drive, and then we go into users, then into your specific profile, and then from there we go into AppData, which is this one here, which is one of the hidden files, then into local, then into Google, then into Chrome, then into user data, and now the important one is ShaderCache, and there is our folder. So if I close that window so it's not in use, right click on this one and choose delete, and then what you need to do is to shut down your computer and restart, and you should find that Google opens properly. So there you go, there's an alternative method of sorting out the black screen error in Google Chrome. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. If you've got any comments or questions, stick them in the box below, but hopefully we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.